is Ernie Beckner, US Asphalt Maintenance. We got the RYNO WORX RY10 out here working at a job site, roughly 400,000 square feet and approximately 40,000 linear feet of cracks. We're using this machine solely on this job, put it through its paces, and it's doing a tremendous job. Everything stays nice and hot. Very minimal propane usage. Highly recommended, especially for those guys that just want to get out there and fix some cracks and make some money. When we walk down through here, I'll give you an idea of what we just did with it, and it goes on and on and on. Tremendous little machine, the RY10. If you ain't got you one, get you one.